Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I'm crazy about helping you enhance your foundation routine. So if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Wednesday. Today, I wanted to take you around my beauty room. It is a disaster. I need to organize it and I thought it would be really fun to bring you along with me. Hopefully we can figure this out together.
Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now.
Keep in mind, we are cleaning this, so I don't want to hear about this disaster. So this is my desk. This is my filming desk, and it's definitely the most disastrous. I need to clean up that. These are my backdrops, which I haven't quite figured out. I need to style them, buy different things to style them with. But I'm the type of person, when I style it, I want it to be styled with things that kind of mean something. You know, makeup is my big inspiration. So this is new to the room. We moved this over from our old house and I was like, oh my gosh, that would be perfect for this area to store all my makeup. I have one of these. I need to go through this, figure out what I'm keeping. So I've basically pulled everything out from upstairs in my master closet that's makeup related to bring out here. On this side, it's just super glamorous. We've had this as a guest room, a second guest bedroom, and I don't even pay attention to any of this. This is my corner right here, and this is all I'm gonna concentrate on. So I have my Clorox wipes so I can kind of clean up some of these areas. I'm gonna go through this thing and figure out what I'm doing. I have this extra MAC Time Fix Plus, things that I haven't used before, roller lash. I've used before, but I have backups. And were you guys so sad when Clarisonic, they were closing down business? I have tons of Clarisonic brush heads, things like that I haven't even used. I have fake lashes. I use these all the time. This is the Goddess and Iconic. I don't think I've ever used these ones, so I'll hold on to these. I'm just not a fake lash person. That just takes too much time. I don't like how they feel on my eyes. I really enjoy ColourPop, but these I feel like are getting old. They're still creamy. I'm actually going to pass these along to my sister-in-law. She messaged me and asked if she could have any makeup that I wasn't interested in when I go visit her in a few months. So I'm just going to take all these, put them in a pile to give to her. I'll keep this one. This is in soft brown. You can actually bring these back to life with an oil. So I'll keep this one, but this one I think I've just had for too long, and so it's time to get rid of that. There's a little Becca highlighter, Champagne Pop. I'll keep that. These are the Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow toppers. I'm just going to give those to my sister-in-law as well. This is the MAC Ochre Paint Pot. This is too light for me. My little sister gave this to me. I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law as well. Ooh, what else do I have down here? Adhesive. I got this lip scrub. We'll hold on to that. This is a Tarte blush. They're both really cute little blushes. Maybe I'll hold on to both of these. And then I'm going to hold on to this ColourPop cream blush. Next one is also lashes. These are, I think, Kiss. I'll hold on to them just in case, you never know. These are the Highbrow by Benefit. So you use this right underneath your brow bone to really highlight areas, things like that. I actually was never crazy about these, so I'm gonna give those away too. I remember when I bought this white NARS. I'll hold on to that because I remember spending money on that. This next part is all of my extra lip brow. Oh, I love the Ka-Brows by Benefit. They are so great. You just add in a little bit of oil again and it brings them back to life. I'm going to hold on to these as well as my Foolproof brow powder. Haven't even opened that yet. This is with the collab with Desi. I have so many of these. I need to stop buying brow stuff. Precisely My Brow. I wonder if this even has anything left. Nope, that needs to go. ColourPop lip liners. I mean, I love the colors, but holy cow, they just don't sharpen well. Then this is a ColourPop primer. These are fun if you're wearing like a matte lipstick. This fills in lines and things like that. I have two of those. This is the Bad Gal Gang mascara. I tried this once. I don't think I really liked it, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Then I have a lot of these. I have a thing with goth dark lip colors. I don't know what it is, but the formula of Kat Von D just wasn't there for me. So these I probably will give away to my sister-in-law and see she might like that. I really liked this color of the Too Faced Liquid Matte and the formula, so I'll keep that. This I'll throw away. These are some of my favorite products. These are the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liners. I just put these all over my lid if I want a really glittery, beautiful eye look, so I'll keep those. A couple of Anastasia liquid lips. I use my liquid lips, but I'm kind of starting to stray away from the matte look, and I really just like a light nude lipstick, but I'll keep those. Now we're getting down to some of the products that I just haven't used a lot of, unfortunately. More Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lips. Can you tell? I have an obsession with like gift sets and holding on to them and just never using them. Same with this one. I haven't pulled this out a lot. Now that the holidays are upon us, well, they're coming upon us, I'll start using them more. So I need to do that. And then I also bought this Cover FX. These are, you remember these drops when they were really popular? So you add these into foundations, whatever you want. It's a cool concept, which is why I bought them, but I haven't used them. It's something I obviously need to use as well. And then I have my backups of my Tarte Shape tapes. Basically, anytime something goes on sale that I really like, I load up, and it's actually a problem because now I have 2 additional Tarte Shape tapes that I need to use. The Huda Beauty Nude Love Collection in their matte formulas. I like these because they're not too drying and they're nudes. Oh, this is bad. I need to get rid of this. This is the Urban Decay Weightless Coverage Concealer. Oh, this is one of my favorite formulas, and then they stopped making it. So I need to throw that away because the oil is setting up. Ooh, I got this for free. This is a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I should put this in my mini fridge and see how I like it. So that's everything on that side. A lot of lip products. Keep that over there. Things I haven't used. Down here, oh my gosh, I had no idea I had an extra one of these. This is my all-nighter setting mist. This is great. You have oily skin. It's an iconic one. So I actually feel like I made a lot of progress. I kind of zoomed through everything. Of course, there is still a disaster area, but I'll kind of show you around. Let's start with the disaster area, okay? So this, I really need to go all through. This is stuff that's like too old. I have to throw away, things I'm giving away. I'll have to do a video on that just to kind of explain everything. One of the ones that just stands out, this just has too strong of a scent for me. It might not bother my sister-in-law at all though, so I'm gonna give it to her. And then this foundation, I never got to do a review on it. This is the Tarte Face Tape. Too light of a shade, didn't exchange it in time, and there's so much product left in here, but I think that'd be a really good shade match for her. But let's go ahead and show you the areas that I'm proud of. So this is my backdrop. I decided to put all of my palettes in here just to make it easier, and it was taking up too much space in an area that I liked here. In this, I have just like things that I don't know how I'm going to display yet. I need to get some more display items, but some of my drugstore setting sprays, concealers. I do want to get another thing like this for my concealers. And then on this side, I have some of my palettes that I really like to display, like my Anastasia Beverly Hills, just some of the smaller ones that look, you know, a little bit nicer. That's all I have going on right there. And now for this side that I'm really excited about. I do feel like I need to get something that I can display some of my nicer setting sprays, like a tray. What's nice about having inventory like this is I'm able to see what I have when it expires. You know, and it's easier to reference rather than reaching for the same thing every time. But I have my Huda Beauty, Hangover, Dewy, Farsali, Tatcha, MAC, Morphe, Ciate, and ColourPop. And then maybe I'll get some baskets and utilize some of them over here. But I don't have that much makeup that I need to, and so let's just go ahead and get into the drawers. And so in this drawer, I have it as my primers and foundations. Here I have, you know, my SPFs, Tinted SPF, Tatcha. This is the Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy. I really like this to add to just like a moisturizer to give a nice bronze effect. I have some primers, Milk Makeup, e.l.f. I'm trying to get through all my primers. I'm really close to getting through these two. And then we'll be good to go. It's just nice to use products. I like to use everything that I buy. Then I have my current foundations. This one is actually, if you haven't seen my video on this foundation, go ahead and check it out. These are the foundations that I currently have in my inventory that I am using and can reach for. So I have some drugstore options. I still need to go in-depth ingredient reviews with these, and we'll see which of those. But I was pretty proud of that. I mean, that's not like outlandish or crazy or anything, right? Then in this drawer, this is probably my favorite drawer just because it looks gorgeous. I have my Hourglass products, all of my pressed products. I have bronzers, setting powders, brow products, you know, blushes right here. I feel like it's a good inventory. And then on the shelf below that, I have some products that I haven't opened yet that are for backup. I have some setting sprays, mascara, things like that, bronzer. Love this Fenty Beauty bronzer. It's one of my favorites. And then on this side, I have my foundation empties and foundations that I'm just keeping for reference or that I might just not like, but I like to keep most of my foundations for reference just so if I go back, I can take a look at packaging, ingredients, and it's nice to just have the physical product to reference, especially since I bought it. Like the L'Oreal Infallible, I love this foundation. I love this foundation too, this Josie Maron. I'm just continuing this one. I do have a review in depth coming out this, really shocking about this. Ugh, it's actually really sad. And that is pretty much it. That's what I did today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and joining along. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.